This year for Advent, I'm going to be counting down in my shorts, doing a little stitched image every day. And I've got a pattern here by Rose Stitches, or Rose Stitch on Etsy. This comes as a full kit, or I just bought the printed fabric because I have loads and loads of my own threads that I need to be using up. Got all the usual Christmas things on here: Christmas pudding, a star, a wreath, Rudolph, a stocking, that kind of thing. The colour palette is sort of gingerbread colour with reds and greens. I might stick to that, I'm not sure yet, I need to have a little think about it. But let's have a look at the fabric. It's thin cotton, but she has given a fabric to use on the back as a stiffening fabric. The designs are really cute. They are tiny. But working in tiny detail is something I want to get more practice at, so we are going to have a look at that. I do need to iron it before we start, but then I'm going to hoop it up. I will probably put it in a stand as well. I've also got a stitch guide, and this is quite nice. I imagine her kits are very well prepared. A little bit about the designer, all the stitches you might need, and some tips as well. So that's quite a good package to receive when you're buying kits. I've got a bit of a head start. I've done the kind of border of twisted threads, which was just back stitch in one colour and then in gold whipping it, which looks rather nice. Each little square has a little frame as well, so I've done that. I've chosen my threads, and I've actually gone for quite a similar theme to the original picture. I have added this sort of yellowy gold rather than actually using gold metallic thread. I do have gold metallic thread, but it is a bit of a pain, so I'm just going to use a little bit to highlight here and there. Also, looking at the original design, there's quite a lot of satin stitch in it, so I will be mixing it up a little bit because satin stitch is not my favourite. So I will be just doing it in some places, but I'll also bring in some other stitches that I enjoy doing.